If you want to add a watermark in Lightroom Mobile while exporting your photos, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. Whether you want to protect your images with your name, brand, or logo, Lightroom Mobile makes it easy to automatically include a watermark when you export. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. First, open the photo you want to export in Lightroom Mobile. Once your edit is finished, look for the Share icon, which is the export icon. Tap Share to open the export options. From there, tap Export As. This is where you can choose how your final image will be saved and shared. Now, look for the option that says Include Watermark. Turn that on. As soon as you enable it, Lightroom Mobile will attach your watermark to the exported photo automatically, so you do not have to add it manually every time. This is a huge time saver if you post a lot of images online or want to keep your work branded. Next, tap Customize. This opens the watermark settings so you can make it look exactly how you want. Here, you can choose between text or graphic. If you want your name, brand, or website, choose text. If you already have a logo file, choose graphic so you can use that as your watermark instead. After choosing your watermark type, you can adjust the size to make it bigger or smaller, change the opacity so it is more subtle or more visible, and set the position so it sits in the best spot on the photo. For example, you might place it in a corner to keep it visible without distracting from the image. Once everything looks good, tap Done, and then tap Export. Lightroom Mobile will save the image and automatically apply your watermark during export. That means every time you export using these settings, your watermark is included for you. And that is how to watermark in Lightroom Mobile while exporting photos. It's fast, simple, and perfect for keeping your images protected and branded. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.